Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Black Shark 5 Pro smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, you want to open up the Google Play Store. At the search bar, type in Opera just like so. Once the new app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the application to get downloaded and installed respectively. Alrighty, now we can go ahead and open it. In here we'll have to undergo a very simple and short setup process, so in here tap on this blue continue button. After that, simply decide whether some of the options the Opera browser has to offer will be enabled from the start, or you can always choose the skip option and leave the configuration process for later. Me personally, I'll enable ad blocking, enable checker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. And lastly, there is the page that you can either customize the permissions that you would like to grant to Opera, or simply allow everything that it needs. I'll go with the last option. And that will be pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.